One thing we did when we went to China a few days back was to make sure we did not stay or spend too much time on our phones. No, bawas social media. We only checked our phones if we needed to get somewhere, check the train stations, stuff like that. And I realized how I felt so refreshed. I felt so good. As a matter of fact, parang yung dopamine ko, the good hormones, the happy hormones,
Are
parang
back?
sumipa.
Oo.
Oh. Because I stopped scrolling. Wala akong pake sa nangyayari sa ibang tao.
Yeah.
Wala muna akong pake sa flood project, flood control, whatever.
Oo.
Pakialam ko lang yung weather, maglakad, enjoy yung sights, spend time with my wife. Yun yung mga na-enjoy ko without caring about anything in the world. And I realized how much of an effect it causes or it has on a person. Consumption of social media, doom scrolling, no? And what it does to us emotionally, to our brains, and whatnot. I'm not saying hindi ako nagmamalinis dito. There are times na I grab my phone and I start scrolling.
You
I don't
do
even
scroll.
care what I am looking at.
Ganun ka lang ng
Oo,
ganun.
mismo.
Oo.
Naging force of habit.
Oo.
Yun na lang. And I did some research, no? And I think a lot of people know this already.
Thank you so much naman, Albert Einstein.
Nakausap ko yung mga scientists.
Research.
Kagabi kasama ko sila.
Thank you.
Oo.
Nag-inuman kayo. Ano
Nag-inuman
sabi
kami.
nila?
I think alam na rin naman natin to that the Philippines is known as a social media capital of the world.
Oo naman, Friendster days pa lang. Number 1 na tayo dyan.
Average consumption of a Pinoy,
Ilan?
3.5 hours
A day?
a day.
Wow.
Social media pa lang yun.
My God.
Which is an hour more than the global average. So let's say people from the States,
2 hours lang sila.
tayo
Or
3.5 or more pa tayo. Pa rin yung average, no? What's sad about this is connecting it to the travel, situation we had. Is bakit ba pag nasa Pilipinas, tingin ako na tingin sa phone ko, parang nag-reflect ako.
Bakit? Nasagot mo?
Inisip ko lang, number 1, siguro lagi tayo nasa traffic. Parang
Walang ibang gagawin.
Exactly.
Naghahanap ka ng
yeah.
manglilibang sa'yo.
Mismo. And then we turn to our phone so much. But, imbes na minsan malibang, it adds to your stress.
Yeah, mas na-haggard ka lalo.
Oo. And, yun nga, parang, I think we have to be a bit more, I want to be more conscious about it. Staying off my phone. Especially social media. Of course, you have your messages, work, all these things, which are important. But I'm talking about caring so much about what other people think.
Are doing.
Caring so much about what other people are doing, where they are at, what they're wearing, and all that shit.
Yeah. Well, medyo guilty rin ako dyan. Kasi before, ganyan na ganyan din ako. But, I must say, mas guilty ako sa work-related stuff that I do on my phone.
Okay.
Kasi sinasabi sa akin ng anak ko, minsan daw hindi ko napapansin. Kunwari, kausap ko siya and then I'll grab my phone. Magbabasa na ako ng mga nasa Viber group namin about news and all that. Tapos hindi niya na ako makakausap. Hindi na ako
Are you the
sumasagot.
type? Okay.
Hindi na ako sumasagot.
Me and us always fight about that.
And then, I will say, work naman to anak eh. So, sinasabi sa akin lagi ni Mike, lagi mo yan ginagawa, lagi mo yan sinasabi, hindi mo na napapansin na paulit-ulit siya nangyayari. So parang ang point nila is kahit work pa yan or kung ano man yan,
You're still on your
kapag
phone.
nandito kami, stop using your phone. So kaya nga sabi ko, guilty rin ako sa part na yon. Pero here's the catch. Ako I have to say,
Tell them, before you get to that, me and Wes actually always fight about the same situation.
yung ganon, kinakausap ka niya, tapos biglang hindi ka na makakausap kasi you're glued to your phone.
Or, even worse, na parang, I actually, nag-usap nila ng sister ko dati, si Sam, nakatingin sa'yo yan, pero, iniisip niya yung nasa phone niya.
Ha?
Kaya ko gawin yun.
Sam!
Oo. Hindi nga siya
That is
healthy.
weird!
That's weird. Parang,
That is weird!
Parang kaya
And you're aminado ka doon.
kaya ko mag-type.
When did it happen?
Kaya ko mag-type na nakatingin ako sa'yo. Pero alam ko na type ko. Oo.
Yun, hindi ko kayang gawin yun.
Oo.
Ibang talent na yun.
Tapos inaaway.
Matindi yung kausap mo ko, tapos iniisip mo social
No.
media.
Ay, kaya ko mag-type.
Yeah.
Habang kausap kita.
Oo.
And si S, kaya lagi kami nag-away kasi sinasabi niya, can you be present?
Yeah, and
Like
in that
100%
moment,
present in the moment.
in the moment.
Not 50%, na 50% iniisip mo ibang bagay.
Oo.
Okay, now going back.
Social media for me is not bad. Pero, depende na lang kung ano lagi mong pinapanood o tinitignan. Pero kasi there's really a study and a lot of studies na ang lumabas about this na nakaka-brain rot ang doom scroll.
Doms. Baka puro dom na
Hindi daw, baka Dominic Roque na mabanggit ko. Ang doom scrolling. So there's a Guardian article sinasabi dito, is doom scrolling really rotting our
Let's
brains?
define first doom scrolling para lang malinaw sa mga taong ano ba yung doom scrolling, what are we talking about? Because we did have an episode a few episodes back about lowering the number of postings. Zero posting.
Zero posting era.
Yeah.
O posting zero era.
Okay. But
doom scrolling is nasa phone ka, wala ka naman talagang gustong tignan, pero habit mo na, nasanay ka, ganun ka lang, ginaganong-ganon mo lang lagi yung
tapos
fingers mo.
nagsa-spiral down ka na, nasa-suck in ka na ng phone mo.
And hindi mo na namamalaya na hours and hours ka na nasa phone mo. And ang dami kong mga kakilala na ganito. A friend of mine just told me na hindi niya daw alam paano mawawala yung addiction niya sa TikTok. As in like 2 to 3 hours daw sometimes or more than pa na nanonood lang siya. Wala na siya nagawa.
Kasi I think it was programmed that way na parang you watch something, okay.
Short video.
Yeah.
Na boring ka na.
10
Angat mo.
seconds back. 10 seconds back.
And
10 seconds back.
malalaman mo na doom scroller ka na if you're watching on Netflix.
Oh, ang ganda na. I'll look that
Okay.
up. What are the signs of a doom scroller?
Yan. You're watching on Netflix or sa isang platform na pwede mong i-forward yung video pag naboboring ka na. Hindi mo na kayang manood ng 1 oras or 2 oras na movie ng maiksi na yung pasensya mo. Yung parang pag nabore ka dito sa eksena to, fast forward na agad. Pag madalas mong ginagawa yon, signs are you are a doom scroller.
Okay.
Pero yun nga, there's a study, ang dami na pong pag-aaral na nakakasira
Nakakabobo. Sabihin mo na.
nakakabobo,
Ayaw pa sabihin yung word na bobo.
nakakasira ng utak ang sobrang paggamit ng internet or ng phone. Sinasabi dito sa
Ano to?
specific
Phone for
article
any
na ito,
reason?
social media.
Okay. Okay.
Kasi you can use your phone and you can read
WhatsApp or
stuff
Viber,
na
whatever.
sabihin na, kasi yun nga yung sinasabi ko, hindi masama yung social media. If yung pinapanood mo or binabasa mo, nakakatulong siya sa ginagawa mo sa pang-araw-araw or sa trabaho mo. Pwedeng ganun eh. Or yung mga binabasa mo is insightful or knowledgeable. Pero pag puro lata yung laman ng yung binabasa mo, pag puro lata yung napapanood mo, chances are wala ka na talaga matututunan. 'Di ba? Nakakabobo talaga siya. So sinasabi dito, bumababa daw yung gray matter sa utak natin. Wow, may
Ano
gray
yun?
matter
Ano yung
sa
gray
utak
matter?
natin. Kapag gumagamit daw ng internet or nagmo-multitask ka, sinasabi dito, nagsa-social media habang nanonood, bumababa yung dami ng gray matter sa parte ng utak natin.
Paki-breakdown sa akin yan.
Yung gray
Medyo,
matter,
what is the gray
ginagamit
matter?
natin sa pagpaplano at pagdedesisyon sa mga bagay-bagay. So, when you multitask, nanonood ka, or let's say nagwo-work ka, and then nagso-social media ka at the same time, bababa yung part ng brain mo na ginagamit natin sa decision making and planning.
I am bothered by this kasi ako, I know for a fact na wala na ako masyadong brain cells na dito. So, sabi mo pa sa akin yan.
Gago ka.
Dadagdag mo pa sa akin yan na pag nag-social media pa, wala na. Hindi.
Bumababa
No, but-
yung gray matter.
Okay. Has
Hindi ko
this
nga alam na may gray matter eh.
Has
Hindi
this
ko nga
happened
alam
to
na
you?
gray pala yung kulay eh.
Has this happened to you? You're working on something. Let's say you're typing
I'm a
an
multitasker.
Yeah,
and
but
it's
still.
not good.
But still.
Hindi daw siya maganda. Kahit hindi social media yung ginagawa mo eh. If you do 2 things always at the same time. And I think most of the moms are like that.
You have
Malala
to.
kami,
Wala kang-
multitasker
Kasi
talaga kami.
I think sa inyo, it's a different situation. Wala kang choice eh.
Kung ikaw, kaya mo mag-type
Na nakatingin sa'yo.
habang nakatingin sa akin, ako kaya kong gawin yung schedule ng mga anak ko habang nakatingin ako sa'yo.
God damn.
Or yung schedule, yung uulamin namin bukas. Kaya ko gawin lahat yun.
Shit.
Kaya ko gawin lahat yun.
Okay.
Oo.
Have you ever had the situation, baka lang, correct me if I'm wrong, you're typing something, you're replying to an email, work.
Tapos bigla na-block.
Hindi.
Oo.
Biglang napatingin ka sa phone mo. Tapos na-stuck ka sa social media.
Mas more of sa chat ako na sa stock, hindi sa social media eh.
It's happened to me. I don't think it's a healthy habit.
Yeah.
I think it has something to do with what you're saying na yung nagbe-brain rot. Tapos nakakalimutan ko yung kailangan ko may deadline ako 3 p.m.
Nakakalimutan mo na may deadline ka.
Para mas i-focus ko pa yun.
Oh.
But then I have to catch myself and tell myself, why do I care so much about these people or what's happening in social media?
Dagdagan pa natin yung kaba nyo. Dagdagan natin bukod sa bumababa yung gray matter in our
mga
brain.
Bobo, mga medyo katulad ko na medyo konti na lang yung brain cells. Nauubos
And again,
pa.
this is based on study. Hindi to eme-eme lang. Internet addiction. Yung taong addict daw sa internet, nagpapakita na may nababago na sa structure ng utak.
Expound.
Like yun nga, like yung normal brain ng taong hindi addict sa social media, iba na. May nababago sa structure sa brain natin.
I think that's what I wanted to get at when we started this episode is yun ang nagiging source mo ng dopamine.
Yun ang happiness mo na hindi naman
hormones,
dapat.
Which
na
is
hindi
not
dapat,
the case.
na dati, anak mo or family
Correct.
mo or loved ones mo yung source of happiness mo.
Going to like when we travel to a place, just walking,
travel,
enjoying the weather,
exactly.
looking around.
Ngayon, hindi na. Pag
Now,
hindi mo nahahawakan yung phone mo,
boom,
pwedeng ganon.
boom.
Pwedeng eto na. Ito na
Mismo.
yung happiness mo. Di ba sa mga bata, napapansin nyo, yung mga grabe mag-tantrums pag tinatanggalan ng gadget. So, as early as that, pwedeng may nababago na sa structure ng utak ng mga bata.
Okay.
Internet addiction. Sabi din dito, digital dementia. Yung sobrang technology na habang nade-develop pa lang daw yung utak ng bata, posibleng magdala ng panganib going into digital dementia. Hihina yung utak. Ito na yung sinasabi nating brain rot kanina. So, sinasabi nila, if you always use social media, kung bata pa lang, mas mataas yung chance mo na may digital dementia ka. Okay. Di ba, yung mga iba din, yung napapansin nyo ba, mas makakalimutin na kayo ngayon?
Hindi lang yun. Tawag dito yung parang pagka-ADHD mo, yung parang hindi ka mapakali.
Kasama din yung paghina ng memory. May pag-aaral last 2018 na yung mga taong madalas gumagamit ng social media platforms, humihina yung attention at memory.
Exactly.
Attention span and memory.
I'm gonna go back to what you were saying kanina, yung your friend who was addicted to TikTok.
Yeah.
Parang hindi na niya matapos yung video kasi
Scroll.
kailangan niya mag-scroll up. Kailangan niya yung utak niya sinasabi, okay, next video na tayo. Kahit na interesting yung pinapanood mo, hindi, next video na tayo.
Yung mga memory na halimbawa pera, hindi mo yung makakalimutan sa. Hindi mo alam mo kung magkano laman ng bank account mo. Alam mo kung magkano mga utang natin. Hindi natin nakakalimutan yan. Pero yung mga halimbawa, saan ko ba nilagay yung wallet ko? May mga moments ba kayo na nasa yung wallet ko tapos nandito lang siya?
Ay, nako. That's me this morning.
Diba? Di naman madalas mangyari before nung wala pang social media.
Nag-ano nga ako parang, I think last week, nag-gym ako sa umaga. Nung hapon, nag-gym ulit ako. Nakalimutan ko nag-gym ko na umaga. Joke lang.
Pero ito true story. Ito true story. I don't know if it's because of social media or because of stress being a mom. Nakalimutan ko na nagkaroon ako ng period nung month na yon. Kunwari, ngayon nagkaroon na ako. Kinabahan ako, akala ko buntis ako. Yung pala nagkaroon na ako. Ganun nakalala yung memory ko.
Wait, are you connecting that to social media? Or
Yun
pagod?
Hindi ko alam
pagod.
Papi, hindi ko alam kasi dapat hindi ko nakakalimutan yun, di ba? I mean, that's my period.
Oh.
Pero pati yun, nakalimutan ko, Papi.
I think ano na yun.
Nakalimutan ko na nagkaroon
I think
ako.
that's already...
What is that?
Hindi na siguro social media
hindi na social media yun.
Ano na yun?
I think ako yun. Ako
ito.
yun mismo.
Ito yan. Okay. Masyado ka maraming tabs na nakabukas sa brain mo.
At ang mga nanay, ganon.
Boom.
Ikaw, ako sa tingin ko ngayon, meron akong 8 tabs on my
diba?
mind. Ikaw, ilang ka ngayon?
I am siguro at 5, not at 8.
I'm
diba?
at 8 right
Hindi ko
now.
yung ulam so -1 ako.
Oo.
But, it's gotten to that point na...
Yun. Ganon siya i-describe.
Kasi minsan si Esa would tell me, ba't parang tulala ka? Ang dami na naman ang dami na naman tabs na nakabukas sa brain mo, no? Siguro turn off some of the tabs, no? And just focus on one thing. Because I think we've also gotten to the point, I mean, life is stressful. It is. But life in the Philippines is stressfuler.
Super.
If life is stressful, life in the Philippines is stressfuler.
Oo.
Okay?
Stressfulest. Oo.
Ang dami na nga natin pinoproblema. Tapos, alam mo yun, tapos we're faced with these storms, these calamities, na parang, pucha, eto na naman tayo. Whether you're affected or not, you also want to help out. You're praying for, as a matter of fact, correct me if I'm wrong. Maybe it's just me, pero hindi ko masyado ramdam yung Christmas season .
Yeah. Hindi
bit
kagaya
sad.
before, no? Pag nag-September na, dama na natin.
September, October.
September pa lang.
Ngayon, I don't know if it's
Ngayon ba, nakabili na kayo ng mga pangregalo? Ako wala pa, kahit
all this
isa.
flood control shit na parang feeling mo ninanakawan ka, dinadaya ka. You don't even know who to trust anymore. Diba? Are we still trusting our government? Are we being played? This is a whole dramatization of some shit we don't know.
And you feel na parang part din yon kung bakit sobrang addict ng mga Pinoy sa social media. Ang tindi ng social issues natin and social problems natin.
And
Kaya
that is your escape.
ito yung scapegoat natin.
It has
Pampahappy, social media.
But it's actually also
Tiring and stressful.
backfiring
Oh.
on us.
Naku, hindi pa yun. Hindi pa tayo natatapos.
hindi pa tapos.
Hindi pa tapos.
Effects.
Humihina yung memory mo, be. Humihina yung attention span mo. Yung focus mo, nawawala. Sobrang bilis.
Yes.
Nakakawala. Nung last
Check yan.
2004,
Check yan.
ang average na attention span sa screen ay 2.5 minutes.
Okay.
Tignan nyo kung gaano kaiksi. That was 24. Attention span, 2.5 minutes. 2012, 75 seconds na lang ang attention span ng tao.
Grabe.
At bumaba pa siya into 47 seconds. Hindi naman natin pwedeng sisihin yung sarili natin kasi sinasabi din dito, hindi lang tayo yung may kasalanan. Dahil yung technology mismo, dinesign siya para kunin talaga yung
Agree.
attention natin at ma-addict tayo.
Agree.
So yung infinite scroll or doom
It was
scrolling,
designed that way.
that is, yun pala tawag doon, doom scrolling, infinite scrolling, walang katapusang pag-scroll sa feed. Dirty design feature siya ng technology. Dirty design feature siya na hindi mo namamalayan, parang kinompare siya into a bottomless soup bowl. Na bottomless soup bowl experiment dahil kahit hindi mo namamalayan, tuloy-tuloy lang yung pagkain mo dahil patuloy na napupuno yung bowl mo nung soup.
And that
so, ganun
happens,
siya. Wala ka nang ginagawa sa phone mo, scroll ka pa rin ng scroll kahit wala nang kwenta yung mga pinapanood at nakikita mo.
And that happens, let's say you're eating a meal. I'm not sure if you've done this now. When you're eating a meal and you're watching TV or you're on your phone, yung lasa ng pagkain, hindi mo nakukuha yung 100% experience.
True. Yes, papi.
And you tend to eat
yes.
more. You tend to eat more kasi
Hoy, oo nga.
this is a study, scientific to. You tend to eat more kasi your brain is not
It's glued to your phone.
Yes,
Not focused on
it's
the
not
food.
focusing that you're intaking something. So ngayon, nakakain ka na pala ng isang bowl ng rice or isang cup ng rice, hindi mo naramdaman kasi your attention was on your phone. Pero nakakonsume na pala. Hindi mo nabigyan yun nga, the multitasking bit of it all. It happens.
Meron pa isa, yung dopamine na binabanggit mo. Ito na ang last but not the least. Dopamine loop.
Let me know about that.
Ito daw yung scroll ka ng scroll, na ma-manipulate yung dopamine
Yes.
part ng brain
Yes.
mo, dopamine reward system
Yes.
ng utak natin. Na parang every time you're scrolling, nahahappy ka. Well, in fact, hindi naman talaga. Ito ang bagong addiction.
That is the
Hindi na
nail.
droga, hindi na alak, hindi yosi, doom scrolling kasi pakiramdam natin may nabibigay na happiness sa atin. Well, in fact,
It's
hindi
empty.
naman. It's not.
It's empty. It's empty. It's,
Parang at that moment, uy, nakakatawa. Hagahanap ka pa ng ibang nakakatawa. Hanggang sa buong araw ka nang nakatingin sa phone mo nang hindi mo namamalayan.
that is true. Even on Sundays, na when you're supposed to rest.
Yes.
Ano nangyayari sa'yo buong Sunday? Ano ginagawa mo?
Doom scrolling.
Okay, we're gonna wrap this up. If you're asking yourself, am I addicted to social media? Am I a doom scroller? Here are the symptoms.
Oh my God! Doc Sam!
Here are
Sige
the
nga.
symptoms
Sige nga, paano? Pa-diagnose kami.
You could be addicted
What are the signs?
to social media. I'm just gonna round it up with 4 items
Okay.
no, before we wrap up this episode. If you're wondering, addicted ba ako? After listening to this, ako ba yan? Ako ba yan? Hindi naman siguro. Well,
May check ba? May check ba? Tingnan
Ito,
natin.
checklist natin. Feeling unsettled when there is no access to the internet. When your social network is down or it is slower than usual. Na-anxious ka ba? Hindi ka mapakali.
Uy, kasama tayo
Pag
dun.
wala kang internet.
Check tayo dun, papi. Sama mo sa check. Oo.
Check.
Check.
Number 2. Checking social media first thing in the morning and last thing at night.
That's not me.
I have changed that and I'm happy about it.
X ako dyan. Cross ako dyan. Di ako yan. Oo. Kasi I'm
Feeling-
checking on my husband lang. Char!
No.
Eme!
Nak! Uy, si Mike nadali ng last episode.
Kaya
Sa
nga
superstar.
kaya nga eh.
Trinay ko i-blip pero talaga lumulusot pa rin sobrang lutong,
wala, hindi-
lutong na mura mo.
hindi talaga, anak ng putya, yung
hindi
ganun
na, na-blip eh.
So may ex na ako. Next.
Feeling stressed when your smartphone is not with you. Let's say, naiyon mo sa bahay. Babalik ka naman in 1 hour.
Hindi,
Yun pa lang.
kasi parang kadikit na ng buhay
Correct.
natin yung phone eh. For emergency kasi, papi eh.
Eto. Well, yeah, of course.
Yeah,
And payments and
oo,
whatnot.
oo.
And last, using social media while walking or driving. If you have been doing that,
Oh my God. Oh my God,
check
isa lang yung
yourself
pros
before
ko.
you wreck yourself.
Or before you rot your
Yes,
brain.
exactly. Even
Oh.
that. Even that. So yeah, those are some symptoms that we can't answer for you, but those are the symptoms. Do the checklist for yourself and let us know in the comment section what you think. And also for those who want to watch Lecheng Pag-ibig to on the big screen, we are now on YouTube.
Yes! Wag nyo kami i-fast forward ha. Tapusin
Mm-hmm.
nyo to from simula hanggang tapos. Hanapin nyo kami. It's Lecheng Pag-ibig to. Malamang kung nanonood na kayo sa amin on YouTube. Ito na kami.
Correct.
Yeah.
We're still on Spotify as well. So Lecheng Pag-ibig to. Click that follow button.
And on Facebook.
Yes, subscribe, please, so you know that we are, giving you fresh episodes which happens every Wednesday.
Oh, so, kasama ba to sa New Year's resolution natin?
We shall find out.
To,
I want to.
Yung less?
I want to.
Kasi ako, feeling ko nabawasan na yun sa akin eh.
Ako rin.
And I think like, napapansin nyo ng mga tao, may mga nagko-comment nga sa akin ngayon, like, etong trip namin na to. Kasi usually, binavlog ko yan eh.
Pansin ko rin.
Tapos sabi nung-
tahimik si madam Kumano na ako.
Hindi to may advice ko sa inyo. If you
tahimik si
wanna
girl,
use less ng social media while you're on a trip, huwag kayo mag-rent ng wifi. Kasi kung gagamitin nyo yung phone nyo, mas mahal ang roaming.
And eto na lang. To wrap it
So
up.
kami, ganun nangyari sa amin. At na-enjoy ko, papi na-enjoy ko siya ng sobra.
Okay.
So on our next trip, pinag-iisipan ko ngayon na parang feeling ko dapat walang wifi.
Good idea.
Cellular data lang. Oo.
Kasi mahal.
Mahal eh.
Oh, diba?
Oo.
To wrap it up.
Okay.
Also, if you're traveling, I'm gonna add this to the list.
Okay.
It's my personal thing. If you're traveling, you're abroad in a new place, and you're still on your phone
Naku.
checking social media, there might be a problem already.
There's something wrong.
Sayang ang travel nyo. Sayang ang oras na biniyahe nyo
Correct.
and everything.
Yeah.
Diba? One thing I practice, I just take the photos, take the videos, I upload it when I'm back.
Ako wala pa ako na-upload. Puro repost lang ako sa asawa ko.
So,
Pero yeah, ganun.
Diba?
So that we can enjoy the moment.
enjoy the moment. Live
Kasi
it.
pag
Be
doon natin
present.
in-upload yan during the trip, iisipin mo pa kung ano caption
Caption.
yan.
Maganda caption.